Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
They say there are two types of speakers. The first type is nervous. And the second type is those who are liars. Today I feel very lucky because I was not supposed to come today, but at the last minute I decided to come for this meeting. And what I witnessed is a wonderful meeting and especially an interesting session from Mr. Rahul. Thank you so much. I just want to begin where he ended actually. There was a man who was sitting in a room and he heard a knock on the door. Knock, knock. He didn't listen to the knock. Again, the knock came. Knock, knock. Then he asked, "Who is that?" The voice came in. "It's opportunity." Then he said, "It's not opportunity. Because opportunity does not knock twice. It only comes once. Maybe another opportunity will come, but it is not the same old opportunity." And most of the time, we don't understand or recognize the opportunity. We only realize when it is going away from us. The opportunity is bigger when it goes away from us. So when I look back to my life, I graduated at the age of 20 and I was working in the corporate world. I was not reading anything that would actually add my skill except my key skill, that was sales, which I was already getting in my job. I was not even reading a single book. And the reason I said was, I don't have time. Most of us say the same thing, right? Then I actually heard a speech by a speaker. He was saying, all of us, including myself, you, we all overestimate what we can achieve in 1 year. Like, you go thinking of playing guitar. What do you think? Okay, within 3 months, 6 months, I can learn guitar. We all of us overestimate what we can do in 1 year. But we underestimate, the word is underestimate, what we could accomplish in 1 decade, that's 10 years. I'll just give an example. The same reason that all of us say that no, we don't have time to invest in our skills. Take example as reading a book. However you are busy, can you read 10 pages a day? Is it possible? Yes. Okay, 10 pages. And what is the average number of pages in a book, normal book?
300.
300, exactly. So how long will it take you to complete one book?
130.
A month. Because 30 into 10, 300. So if I want, I can read a book of my interest, anything, could be a novel, anything, on cricket, if anything. 1 month I can read one book. And in a year, how many books I can read? 12. In 10 years,
120.
if I ask myself, have I read 120 books? No. But can I read? I could have read, right? And if I had read 120 books, I won't be, I mean, all of us would not be sitting the same question where we are now. So again, it comes back to opportunity, what we can do. Maybe simple little things, when we focus, can actually change our life. I want to actually add one more point. Number 2 is, what is the greatest discovery of our times? Internet? Number 2? No. These are all interesting discoveries, but the greatest discovery of our generation is the finding that all of us or the human being can change his life by changing his attitude. That is the greatest discovery. If you look at a tiger, have you ever seen a tiger which is vegetarian? No. Because the tiger is a non-vegetarian, it will remain as a non-vegetarian. You can't think and change. But you might have seen a guy or a person who has been vegetarian becoming a non-veg, or a non-vegetarian becoming a veg, whatever. So if all of us can focus on our attitudes, we can actually change our life. That is the greatest discovery of our times. And one more point I just want to emphasize. This is an apple, right? If I break the apple, what you can find? Some seeds, right? And all of us can count the number of seeds in the apple. But can any one of us can count the number of apples in that one seed? Can? No. Depending on, like the earlier speaker said, depending on the environment, how we nourish that seed, it can actually create an infinite number of apples. And each one of us sitting here is a seed which has yet to attain the potential is immense. It varies from person to person. But we all can, if properly nourished, if you use the correct opportunities, can blossom into a big apple tree that can actually give huge number of sweet apples. Thank you so much.